Hi, welcome back to the channel. I've recently been setting up my 2-channel setup and I've encountered 2 problems with my speaker stands. First, the floor isn't flat and it causes the stands to rock. And the second issue I have with the feet is that it's very hollow and it rings. You can hear a very long ring when I knock it. So to solve these issues, I bought these adjustable feet so I could level the speakers and let them sit stably on the floor. I've also bought about 5 kilograms of sand to fill the feet. Let's see at what frequency the stand rings at. As you can see, it's ringing from the 2 to 4 kHz range, which is a sensitive region for the human ear. So hopefully when I fill the speaker feet, it could lower the frequency response of the ringing and clear up the highs and upper mids. By the way, these stands are the cheapest stands that I could find that matches the size of my speakers. These 4 feet are steel and the top and bottom plates are MDF. So if you're curious about my setup, I'm currently using a ZD3 with burst and V7 Vivid op amps and 2 ZA3s in mono with the stock op amps. The speakers are Wharfedale Stanton's the 80th anniversary version. And here's what it looks like with the grills off. I'll be doing a series of videos making tiny changes to my setup and seeing if there's an audible difference between changes. So if you're interested in videos like this, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I'm also very curious if this will make an audible difference when playing music. So I'm going to record a sound demo before anything is done, and after I add the adjustable feet, and last after the feet are added and the tubes are filled with sand. Okay, so now that I've marked the position of the stands, I'll record the demo. I won't move this mic and I'll now install the feet on the speaker stands. Originally it has these rubber pads. I'll remove them and there are threads for M8 feet. Okay, now all the feet are installed. By the way, these are only cheap feet for furniture. There's nothing fancy about them. Okay, now that I've installed the feet, I'll record the second demo. As you can see, it's much more stable now. Okay, so I have divided 5 kilograms of sand into 8 parts. That's about 600 grams. And now I'm going to put it in this tiny hole. It's going to take some time. Here's the sand I'm going to use. Okay, so this one is the one I just filled, and this one is the empty one. Have a listen to the difference. The resonance is now much lower and the rings for much shorter. So now I'll fill this one with sand too. Okay, now all the stands are filled. And I'll record the last demo. Let me know in the comments below if you heard any differences. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this.